Alright guys, so I'm about to start cleaning the wheels here, and it's actually Christmas today. You guys can see that. So I don't know when you guys will eventually see this video, but I hope that you guys had a great Christmas, and I know I did. I got everything that I wanted, and I am actually getting a new phone and retiring this iPhone 8, and so I'll have a good camera again, so I could like make a quick video on my new phone and actually have it viewable. So the Kawasaki, nothing has really changed, and I was just gonna start cleaning the wheels, and I was just gonna show you guys how dirty they were and everything. And then this one, and from what I can tell, I don't know, it's pretty close, but this one looks dirtier. I mean, as you guys can see how they are right there. And I'm gonna clean one and then show you guys how much that actually does to it. So I'm gonna start doing that now. Alright guys, so I just did a quick clean. I didn't get too into it, even though it definitely cleaned up pretty good. This was just a quick go over. I'm using this Mother's stuff, and it works really good. I've used it before and I like how it turns out. And so this was like, they were pretty much the same before, but like this was definitely how bad that this one was before. And then I sprayed some super clean on it and then went over it with the Mother's, and yeah, you can just see the difference. So now I'm gonna do it with that one, and then you know, I don't feel like doing the backs for now. I'll probably just still spray it down with some super clean right there in the purple bottle. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. So might clean these up better later on, but it's good enough for now. So time to do this one. Alright guys, so I got the other one cleaned up. I just did a quick job on this one too. It's not perfect. It's either gonna take a lot to get that little bit out. I mean, it's kind of pitted too, so this one actually looks a little bit cleaner. But got these all cleaned up, and then I was just gonna wipe up the backs of them quick, and I'll put them on because you can't really see the back too much, anyways, especially once the plastics are on, unless you're looking from the front. But that's way better than what they were. I'm assuming the guy who owned this thing before didn't really clean it much. And there's the rag from cleaning them. They were disgusting. But just looking at the motor and stuff, like, and all of up here, like, definitely hasn't been washed in a long time. If the guy before, or I don't even know, because a few people have had it, and this thing sat for like 2 years. But even looking at the air box, like, you can tell that he was just riding in the dirt, and that's why the rear end went out. Never was greased and stuff, which makes sense because looking at these, like, there's no way to get to the grease zerk. So whoever had it before never greased it back here, and that's the whole reason why the rear end went out and I had to replace everything. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna get like the motor and everything cleaned up really nice once I'm able to, and then I gotta start looking for a new air box, see if I can find one. But it's okay because I got till spring anyways, because this weekend we're supposed to be getting nailed with snow. But the front tires are good to go on, and now it's time to start on the rears here, and just show you how these suckers look real quick. So there's that one. So this one's definitely the cleaner one, and you can just see how a lot of that's dust in there. You guys can see all that. So I'm gonna probably show you guys one before and then one after, and then get both of them on. Alright guys, so I just did a quick clean on the rear wheels too. Like, I didn't even use the Mothers on them. I just sprayed them down with some super clean and just set them on there. show you guys this one too. I mean, they look all right for now. I might actually clean them, later, when I need something to do or whatnot. I didn't even clean the insides of them. And then, so they're just set on there right now. And I just realized, guys, I don't have any lug nuts. Not anything for these. I guess I didn't think about it before, but, yeah, no, nothing. Because it was all taken apart when I bought it. And so the one hub was still on the axle, the old axle right there. And the other hub was in this bucket. And, the nuts are just gone. So I'm gonna have to order a set. I'll probably get some alright ones. I was actually looking at lug nuts already for this, thinking about it. And then I was like, I guess I'll save the money. Why not? I don't really need them. But now I need them. Because before it was just like, black. I'll let you guys know right now. They're going to be black. And this nut actually isn't on there at all. It's also not a cotter pin one. So I'm see if I can get a cotter pin one. Otherwise, I'll have to make that one work. But it's on there loose right now because I should be getting the clip maybe in 2 days from now if I'm lucky. And then definitely gonna have to order up those lug nuts so I can get the rear tires mounted. But there it is, guys. It's finally got like 90% complete rear end in it, and all the tires are finally on it. Man, it's definitely like just doesn't even look like the same machine anymore now. It looks really good. I don't know about the tires, but it's just the cheap ones. So just something to have something fresh on there. But the front looks really good. Here, you guys, show you guys that again. Turned out really good. These tires look really good on there because, as you guys know, these were what was on there. And there it is, guys. That grill, like everything is just looking really good so far. Like, I don't know, this one, I don't know, the Predator, it's gonna be close. I'm gonna have to see what one rides better and what one I like better, but it's definitely gonna give the Predator a run for its money. But still gotta get a few things buttoned up here, probably get some grips too, and definitely needs an airbox because I don't even have a lid for this one. And like I have said before, that one's pretty messed up. So, what time is it? So it is 10:51 right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna set the plastics on it and try and figure out how they go, and try and line all that stuff up and figure out what else I need, because for the plastics, another thing is I don't have any of the bolts or anything. That bucket was like, it had maybe a handful of nuts and bolts. Like, I know it had these ones, but might as well get new ones anyways. Plus, I mean, that looks really good for the rear end. Like, brand new rear end, brand new hardware. It's awesome. So, I know that the front fender probably goes on right here, and the rear one probably goes on like right here, and maybe something right here, and then the bracket. I don't know. It's missing a lot, so I'm gonna need all the hardware, probably half the brackets, I'd say, and I don't know if I'm gonna clean them up or not, because I got lazy with the rear tires and just wiped them down quick. So just gonna fit these and go from there, guys. All right, guys, so Kawasaki, let me just tell you guys, it's looking really good. Okay, you guys just saw a glimpse of it, but it's looking really good. Like the Predator right there, it's It's gonna have some competition now, guys. It's gonna. Here you guys go. Woo-hoo-hoo! Just look at it. Nice rear end. Okay, I will say one thing though. This exhaust pipe sticking out way too far. But it just looks so good. The radiator hoses, perfect. But that exhaust pipe, as you guys can see right now, it's sticking out at least 4 inches too far, I would have to say. But it is looking gorgeous. It's so good. So I don't have any of the plastics tight yet. Here's a good old front end shot. None of the plastics are tight yet. Actually, I did put 2 bolts in right up there. But I do need, so both of these brackets off of here. And so here's this one where it clearly ripped through right there. And so go right there. And so I need both of these, both missing. And then I should have, everything mounts up. It's got these on both sides and everything. And, it lines up here. I just need all the hardware. I don't got nothing. I don't got nothing for there, nothing for there, nothing for the rear. There's supposed to be 4, 2 there, 2 there. And then the front ones, I don't have nothing. So I do need all that. I need the rear lug nuts. I need to put the brake caliper on there still. And the chain guard right there. And let's see, there was one more thing, the air box. Do need to find an air box for it. And then obviously get the heel guards on. Like, guys, this thing turned out way better than I was expecting. And then obviously I gotta adjust the exhaust pipe, but like, oh my God, I'm lost for words. Like, this thing looks great. And so, I mean, we're getting closer than I thought. Like, I mean, I thought I still had actually quite a bit to do left, but it's going like really fast now. Like, I want to say that we're like 80% done, which is crazy, but I mean, just look at it. Like, it looks great. And it's almost ready to be set on the ground. And that's pretty much what I'm waiting for until I put the Nerf bars and heel guards on it. And it says that the other stuff for these, before I can put them on, should be here tomorrow. So I'll let you guys know if that actually happens. And I'll have to order a few things tonight. So hopefully within a week or so, we should have this thing sitting on the ground and looking really good. So gotta get these plastics cleaned up and order a few things. And so it might be a minute. Might actually go and do some stuff to the Predator now while I'm waiting for stuff for this. But guys, this is amazing.